So it's the 29th of May on Saturday afternoon at 1 o'clock. I'm by the Methodist Church. There aren't any bells in these, so I'll better video this for 10-15 minutes. Just come walking by myself here on Saturday afternoon, so I'm just gonna take a video of it for 20 minutes. Let's have a look at it. This is from my friend Graham Vince, because we're still in a bit of lockdown, so we're gonna video of this for about 10 minutes and I'll go across the road and do the other side, following the light. Yes. So I'm right in Halifax town centre up by the police station, so I'm going to video it for a few minutes. Right. It's on St James's Road. So that's camcorder. Go back over there and get the church on the other side, okay? Yeah. Give it a good tour. There aren't any bells in this church, no, because these churches don't have bells. No, they don't. So at the top of Halifax town, and then we've got the town hall down there. So there's a few churches around Halifax where I am. Right, let's go back across this church. Let's go across the main roads where I am now, and be very careful. Yeah, and then just press that, and then I'll start videoing up there. You're alright. You can go across now, there's no one there. Right, it's up by Pellon Lines, this church. So, we're going to video this for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's only a little church, so we're going to video this for Graham. Yep. I'm still in Halifax, at the end of Halifax town centre, right at the top. So that's what we're doing. Halifax little tour churches. Yes. Just keep it down. I'm right next to a very busy main road. We've done that one up there, so that's already been done. St Mary's Roman Catholic Church by Gibbett Street. Yes. So I'm just going to video this side. So let's just be very careful what we're doing. And there's no clock faces on this church either. They don't seem to have clocks or chiming bells. No. So we're just gonna take it a little steady. It's now 1:10 in the afternoon on a Saturday afternoon on the 29th of May 2021 on Saturday afternoon, so I can remember when I did it, so everybody can remember my YouTube channels, all my friends have got. Yeah. Right. And that's up by Pellon, is that, up that main road, that's where Pellon is. So I'm near some flats and some estates at the moment, that's where I am. So I'm just letting you know where I am. I haven't come on the bus, I've just walked from my house down here and I've not seen anybody. Nope. So I'm alright, I'm fine. So no one can see your video. Yeah. I'll go down there and get another shot of it again before we go somewhere else. I'm just gonna turn around. Nobody there. Right. I know it's on the main road side, I know it's not like with graveyards, no, it's just on the main road. If it was on a graveyard I'd be able to walk on that bit, but we can't, it's on the main road to the range and to down to the Salvation down there. That's where we are, just by the main road and down where the snickets are down there. And where the Thai Chinese used to be up there. That's where I am. I'm touring of Halifax today, so nice green tree up there. church, but it's alright for other people who don't go bell ringing, and people who aren't into church bells will just go to Sunday service churches, okay? And the one right up on that hill is Claremont Church. That's shut down. There's that one up there. That one's shut down. So it's not a church anymore, but we'll probably be coming round to that eventually. So we'll put it in again. Video some countryside of Halifax up to South Arm Bank. Yeah. Oh, I love doing these tours. I just love doing tours around Halifax whilst we're in lockdown, but I just walked it. I just walked down here. So anyway, so the subways are here, so I'm by the subways to the range, but I found a passageway so I don't have to catch the bus now for a while. No, I just took that road from down there and right down there, and I walked down that side and walked up here, right up here, instead of the subways down there. So, and that's why you end up, you come out of there. So right, give it another one. I think that'll be it now for a while. Okay, until later on. That's my first church on a Saturday.